Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about how to install pyspark on Windows machine. Before that, we required mandatory prerequisites. Java JDK is required and Python is required and Apache Spark is required. Apart from that, we required Hadoop WinUtils and Hadoop DLL. So once you click on this link, automatically it will redirect. And Python I have already installed in my previous sessions, and Spark. So I am using 3.5.6, and 3.5.6 compatibility version of Hadoop is 3.3. For me, in my system, I have already installed PySpark 3.3.2. So you can see here compatibility version of 3.3.2 will be 3 plus version only. That is the reason I am using 3.5.6. Once you click on this link, that means um, once you click on this link, automatically it will download this zip file. Okay, once you extract this zip file, you can see after extraction I have renamed it to Spark 3, but actually this is the name. Once you expand this, these all are the required binaries will be available. After that, what you will do, simply in C drive, you can create one folder. In my use case, I have created big data. Under the big data, whatever the Spark 3 I was renamed, everything I have placed here. You can see all the binaries I have copy pasted from downloads to here. You can see, yeah, here I did directly copy paste from here to in C drive Spark 3. I mean big data folder. So once after this completed, next you can download WinUtils and also Spark DLL. Directly you can click on this and you can download. Okay. Once you have downloaded, it will be available in your download folder. You can copy. Okay, you can copy this too, and again you can place in big data and Spark 3 and bin folder. You can see here Hadoop DLL and also WinUtils. So default both will not be installed as part of Spark installation. You should have to place mandatory. Once this Spark configuration have completed, that means the Spark installation have completed, what you should have to do, you should have to configure the environment variables. So I have clearly updated. Yeah, set environmental variables. So how you can set environmental variables, let me show you. So in start button you can type edit environment variables for your account. You can simply double click on this, it will open a pop-up. So here Hadoop home, next to Hadoop path, next to Java home and Java path. For me, Java has installed in program files. In your use case also will be same. And this Hadoop home I have created. Under C drive I have created big data folder. Under that I have placed a Spark 3. And Hadoop path also will be same. Okay, I'm pointing to the bin folder because I have all the binaries will be present in the bin folder. Next, what you will do, Spark home, here also same. Okay, because all the binaries related to Spark will be redirecting to this Spark home, big data and Spark 3. Next, Spark path, I'm pointing to the bin folder because everything I have configured in C drive only. C drive big data Spark 3 bin, same Hadoop related also I have placed in same folder. So after completion of this, edit environment variables for your account. Once you have configured this Hadoop home and Hadoop path, Java home and Java path, along with Spark home and Spark path, once you have configured these things, simply you can open this path. Next, here also you should have to configure the same big data Spark and bin because everything will be redirecting. Okay, Next, this is Java JDK bin, and this is related to Python. Okay. So once after this all configurations have completed, simply how you can do, simply click on this new, it will it will enter, you can enter. So in this path you can enter. Next, here also you can see how you can add this Spark home and Spark path. You can simply click on this new and it will ask variable name and value name. Okay. For me, I have already configuration was completed. So here I'm not doing anything. Once all the configurations have completed, simply click on OK. Next, how you can validate Java has installed, Python has installed, and Spark has installed. How you can validate? Simply, you can open command prompt. So this is the one Java version. For me, everything was configured properly. I have installed. So Java version, you can see this is the Java version. If you want to search for Python version, simply you can type Python. For me, it's a 3.9.1. Next, after Python was installed, what you will do, you can install the pyspark module by using pip install pyspark. So this is the version, this is the compatibility version I am using 3.3.2. Based on your compatibility version, you can install from your side. For me, requirement have already satisfied. That is the reason it's showing. Next, after you installation of PySpark, how you can verify Spark has successfully installed in your machine or not. We have two commands. You can use any one of that. Either we can use Spark submit version. Okay, you can see either you can use Spark submit version, or else if you want to use PySpark also, it will give the same. So if we are using PySpark, first it will show Python version, and after it will show Spark version, because on top of Python we have installed Spark. That's why we are calling as a PySpark. You can see both configurations. Okay, next. I'm trying to exit from the session. Yeah. So after the configuration, if the Spark and Java JDK will not be showing, then you can restart your system. Okay. Sometimes it won't properly configure. Restart will help. That's all about this video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.